Hi Seamus, Phil Beever here at the Wilderness Club. Just want to recap on what we worked on yesterday. So the first thing we want to take a look at here is your takeaway. If we draw a line through your hands and then draw a line through Robert Rock's hands here, we'll see as you take the club away, you can see your hands go the wrong side or the right hand side of that line. That just means your arms are separating from your body. So we can see here we're halfway back. If I use a different colour, we can see here you've got this little triangle here, haven't you, between the forearms of daylight, which means the arms have come away. If we look at Robert here on the right, as he starts to wind back, we can see that his hands are definitely going inside that line. The club head's tidy. What I mean by that is the club head is on his hand line, so we can see there with yourself here, because your hands have gone away, we can see here the club head is way inside. So first thing we worked on really was trying to get them hands to go in and keep the club head out. And that makes a big difference. That's one of the reasons why you wasn't striking it, and you can hit some pulls and pushes from that position. Second thing we worked on, Seamus, was your head. So if we look here at Robert's head, and then we have a look at your head. Okay, so run through Robert's. We see it'd be easier to see face on, but this view would do. We can see his head hasn't moved at all. Eye line's perfect, hasn't changed at all. Even if we start down on his swing for him, we're going to see there that head is not really moving. Yes, it's moving down slightly, but you'll be able to see his eyes are fixated on the ball. If we look at yours, we can see as we go halfway back already, we can definitely see that your head is moving. And then when we get to this position here, for me, your eyes are looking somewhere over here. And then when we go back a little bit more, they're looking a bit more that way. So if I get rid of them lines, we can see there your head has definitely changed. We can see there your eyes have definitely changed. And that gives you a different perception of how to attack the ball. So you need to work on that head. And the easy way of working on that head is just to put a pen in your mouth and just point it at the ball and try and hit some shots doing that. The last part of the swing, all I wanted you to do was just to hit some half shots, get that 8-iron out, just swing it halfway back for me, and then just give it a rip through. And that just gets the legs accelerating through, because sometimes where you're thinking so much about the backswing, you're not quite getting through the shot. So yeah, just halfway back, really accelerate through and just hit down on it, and you're starting to get some great compression. On the pitch shots, very similar, just get narrow stance, weight left, and don't be frightened. You're tending to sort of pop the ball up a little bit too high. I need you to feel like you're really going to hit down and compress it to get some yardage out of it in the right flight. Seamus, it's all going really well, and I'll see you soon.